everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Playboy. Seymour here. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more videos coming out. It's going to be a real quick one today, just some trade updates on the trades made the other day. So everyone's following along. Hopefully you guys are up in profit as well, or you've already made your trade, taking your profit, and you're more than happy where you are. So congratulations to everyone. As you can see, Sushi, we're pushing our target, we're almost there. In this market, it looks like it's just going up and up and up, but I've got my profit set through this section, and I'm happy to take a profit in there. Realistically, this can come back down, test support and come back through, but the market holds strong like it is now. You'll see it break up through there. So Sushi's doing really well at the moment. AV, very similar. It's coming through, it's testing it, and you should see it come up through, hit this target shortly. Might play out over the next 2-3 days on it. If you guys are running any leveraging or you want to do a stop loss, you're already up in profit from this section here. Take a profit however you want, or if you want, set a stop loss down here so you still make a profit if the market does drop on you, and then you can still aim for a higher profit margin up here. I'm still holding out for my target profit up there, so I think it's going to go through, and just keep holding on with that one. You can see Theta, it's come up here, hasn't gone directly up and smashed through. It's come up, come back down, it's finding a new level. It might test the trend line through here, and then it should come up through here, and you'll hit our target area we want. Take my profit there and roll off into the bank. Solana, playing out exactly the same. We've just come up through here. We've tickled the zone we want, come back down. So if the market pumps, smash through. Even though we can see this realistically playing itself out like this. Come up, touches it, bounces back, finds a new level of support through there, and then up we go. So very, very close to taking profit on that one. And another trade made yesterday. Last night I saw it. We broke through this wedge here on Super. It's called Super Farm if you want to know what the token is. And one of you guys did copy this trade because you messaged me saying you did. So good on you. Let's make it on this one. Hopefully this is a big gainer on this one. It's not as well known of the coin, so sometimes it's a bit riskier, but these type of tokens, they do have a chance of having high profit in them. Sometimes you might see like 40, 60, 70% gains in a couple of days on these. So this one here, we broke out of this wedge. Perfect entry point here for your profit. I'll show you that with the pen. It's a good zone to buy in here. Now, it's not on the 4-hour chart, but it's on the daily, so this is going to take a little while to play out through here. You come back up, test, come back up, run along, and we should see something up through this area. Any of these levels in here, you're up 10%, 20%, 30%, and the goal on this one's about 40 to 60% profit on it. So if you're happy with a quick gain, jump on it. If you're happy with longer term gain, same thing, jump on it. That's what I'm in it for. So it's been like a week or two easy hold on this one, and that's my target range for profit to take out of it. So take a quick look at the percentages that we're up. Sushi, we're up 22%. Good on you guys who have copied those trades. That's a very nice percentage to be up by. I'm very, very, very happy. AV 16%, Theta, we're up 12%, Solana, it's up about 14% at the moment, and Super, from purchasing yesterday, it's up like 2%, but that one's long-term gain is, I'm aiming for that 40%, easy 40 to 60% on it. Keep in mind that coin is a bit more volatile, so if you're worried about it dropping, set a stop loss on it. If you plan to keeping it long term, you're not worried about that, buy the token, don't set no stop losses on it, and hold it out. My aim is around to that profit section I showed you in the last chart, about 40%, 60%, and I'll take my profit there. So yeah, hopefully these videos are helping you guys out, giving you an understanding of it. A couple people asked me how do you pick these levels. So like if we look back through Sushi here, so when you look back to your previous history of the market, you always look to your left, because you can see the support levels through here. That was a support level, support over here, and you go back through the chart, you'll still find other levels through there. So we go, okay, where's the next resistance level? Here was resistance, resistance, resistance. You go back through, you find more. So we broke through the resistance here. So what's the next profit level we're looking at? Sorry, what's the next resistance level we're looking at? There's a small bit of resistance through here, and you can find that along through the chart. And then after it breaks that level, the market keeps going that way, it keeps following that trend line. We go, alrighty, next level's up here. So big difference through there, and you walk back through this chart, keep to your left, and you find those levels come through here. It's not going to be spot on, line to line, but within a few percent you'll see that resistance support, resistance support. That's a simple method looking back. If you guys want to look at doing a method that way, you can just look to your left. It gives you an idea of how the market works and trends. Like with this trend through here, you can see it's busted it. If this thing comes out through here and breaks that trend line, well then it's a different story. This could go down a bit, down, or it could form a new pattern, start running out sideways like this, forming a Bart Simpson, as they call it. And then that can either go up like this, or it can break down. But what you look for in that is, if this started to form a new pattern, you'd look to forming a wedge on it, and you'd form a wedge, get your tools out, draw it up, and you'd be patient and wait. When it breaks that wedge upwards, we're back on, we're going up. If that breaks that wedge going down here, we're going down. So that's the thing you always want to keep in mind. Wedges make every bit of difference on this. If it breaks the wedge, it's either going up or it's going down. But you got to wait for confirmation when it breaks the wedge, because sometimes there's fake outs. It'll break out from the wedge and then come back into it. So you got to make sure it breaks out and beats that high there. Just to add in there, guys, time I finish filming that video, this token, Sushi Swap, came in here, hit my target, sold, and took my profit. It's about 25-26%. And from here this can go up more now. I don't care, made my profit, very happy. But my next move is now wait for this to come down, buy the next support zone, or if it breaks it, form a new triangle, wait for it to break out and buy the breakout. So sit patiently and wait. That's what I'm going to do. Could have read this out longer, but I had my plan, was happy with my profit, and I took it. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. Like the video, stay tuned, and I'll keep you updated. Thanks.